Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter on a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a good set of wrenches, jack stands, and safety glasses. Next, ensure your Lancer is safely elevated on jack stands and has completely cooled down. For an added layer of safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. Now, let's get to removing the old converter. Start by locating the exhaust bolts that secure the catalytic converter and generously spray them with penetrating oil. This will help loosen any rust or corrosion. Next, carefully disconnect and remove the oxygen sensors from the old unit. Finally, unbolt the converter from both ends of the exhaust system and gently detach it from the vehicle. With the old converter out, it's time for the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning all mating surfaces on the exhaust pipes and installing fresh gaskets. Carefully position the new catalytic converter into place and hand-tighten all the bolts to hold it securely. Once aligned, you can fully tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to reinstall your oxygen sensors, making sure they are properly torqued. You're almost done. Reconnect your car's battery and start the engine. Listen carefully for any exhaust leaks and visually inspect all connections. If everything sounds good, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any diagnostic trouble codes that might have appeared. For a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.